What if I told you that one of the most advanced luxury RVs in America is not a massive motorhome, but a compact adventure van that can transform into a luxury home on wheels? Today on California Autos, we explore the incredible Rossmönster Loft, a premium adventure vehicle combining luxury, technology, off-grid capability, and smart design. I'm Richard M. Tryon, and welcome back to California Autos. Stay with me until the end because we are going to discover the features that make the Rossmonster Loft one of the most unique RVs available today. The RV industry is changing. Travelers are no longer only looking for bigger motorhomes. They want freedom, flexibility, and vehicles that can explore remote locations while still providing modern comfort. The Rossmonster Loft was created for exactly this new generation of adventurers. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, the Rossmonster Loft combines premium driving performance with the functionality of a luxury tiny home. It is designed for outdoor lovers, remote workers, and travelers who want to experience the world without limitations. From the outside, the Rossmonster Loft immediately stands apart from traditional camper vans. Its modern design and molded composite body create a unique appearance while maximizing interior space. The compact size allows owners to travel through areas where larger RVs cannot easily go. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD foundation gives this adventure van confidence on different terrains and changing weather conditions. Whether traveling through mountains, forests, deserts, or remote campsites, this RV is designed to handle challenging adventures. But the real surprise begins when you step inside. The interior of the Rossmonster Loft feels completely different from a normal camper van. Instead of feeling small and crowded, the space feels carefully planned, comfortable, and highly functional. The biggest highlight inside this RV is the innovative elevator bed system. This smart feature completely changes how the interior space is used. During the day, the bed moves upward, creating a large open living area underneath. At night, the bed lowers down and transforms the van into a comfortable sleeping space. This clever design gives travelers the benefits of a larger motorhome while keeping the advantages of a compact adventure vehicle. Space management is one of the biggest challenges in any camper van. Rossmonster solves this problem with intelligent engineering, flexible layouts, and creative storage solutions that make every inch of space useful. The seating area can adapt depending on your needs. It can become a relaxing lounge during the day and support comfortable sleeping arrangements at night. The rear area provides storage for adventure equipment, bicycles, and outdoor gear. The Rossmonster Loft is built for active lifestyles. Whether you enjoy hiking, mountain biking, camping, or exploring new destinations, this RV provides the perfect mobile base for your adventures. The kitchen area proves that compact does not mean uncomfortable. It provides practical cooking space, useful storage, and everything needed to prepare meals while traveling far away from traditional campsites. One of the biggest reasons people choose adventure RVs is independence. The ability to stay away from crowded campgrounds and explore remote locations is what makes this lifestyle special. The Rossmonster Loft is designed with off-grid travel in mind. Advanced electrical systems, lithium batteries, solar capability, and modern power solutions help travelers stay comfortable even in remote areas. This means you can charge your devices, work remotely, enjoy entertainment, and experience nature without giving up the convenience of modern technology. For digital travelers and remote workers, the Rossmonster Loft creates a mobile office experience. Imagine waking up beside a beautiful mountain view, making coffee inside your luxury van, and starting your workday surrounded by nature. The bathroom and shower design also show the attention to detail behind this RV. In a compact vehicle, every inch matters, and Rossmonster creates practical solutions that maximize comfort while maintaining an open interior feeling. Behind the wheel, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform delivers a premium driving experience. Comfortable seating, modern safety features, and excellent visibility make long-distance travel easier and more enjoyable. Compared with larger motorhomes, this adventure van is much easier to drive, park, and maneuver. It gives travelers the freedom of a smaller vehicle with many comforts expected from a luxury RV. The Rossmonster Loft is a premium adventure vehicle with a price designed for buyers who value craftsmanship, innovation, and unique experiences. This is not just transportation, it is a lifestyle choice. For many owners, the real value is the freedom to wake up somewhere new every morning, travel beyond ordinary destinations, and carry their comfortable home wherever the road leads. After exploring the Rossmönster Loft, it is clear that the future of RV travel is not always about being bigger. Sometimes true luxury comes from smarter design, advanced technology, and the ability to explore anywhere. The Rossmonster Loft combines the best parts of a camper van, luxury tiny home, and off-grid adventure vehicle into one impressive package. Now I want to hear your opinion. Would you choose the Rossmonster Loft over a traditional large motorhome? Would you prefer a compact luxury adventure van or a massive RV with more interior space? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this RV tour, subscribe to California Autos for more luxury RV reviews, future motorhome technology, and amazing vehicles from around the world. I'm Richard M. Tryon, and I'll see you in the next adventure.